How to withdraw the money from Trust Wallet to bank account. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you could withdraw the money from Trust Wallet to the bank account. So if any day you would like to just withdraw the money from the Trust Wallet to bank account, at first you have to open the Trust Wallet and go to the cryptocurrency that you would like to withdraw. You have to tap on send and enter the address of your exchange account, that may be Binance, Coinbase or anything. Then you can enter the amount to send and confirm the transaction. Now you can log into your exchange account and go to the trading page. Sell your cryptocurrency for a fiat currency like USD, EUR, or the GBP, and the fiat currency will be credited to your exchange account balance. Now, in order to withdraw it, you can go to the withdrawal section of your exchange account, select your fiat currency, and enter your bank account details. You can review the withdraw details and confirm the transaction. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.